drippin' in Chanel. Playin' high, go see in the mansion with my little girl. Elevator was too crowded, so I took the stairs. The whole industry was hate, so now I give them hell. Businessman, I invest a whole million in the mail. I treat bitches like some shoes, I cop about a pair. She like when I grab her neck and pull about a pair. In my city, I'm more important than the fucking mail. Can you straight, I set the prices on the kush, I swear. My dick out and piss on your feelings. Trap off a tractor trailer, new paper stuck together. That bitch gon' fuck my bezel. You know it's high versus lows, 2 M's that's on the pedal. This bitch make that bitch jealous. This cup ain't never felt us. My J's ain't match your melon. You know it ain't no telling. Rather go duck a felon. The bankroll tuck for belly. Blew out when I'm in Helen. This gas broke out propelling. Back to back like the train. Pink twice trying to derail us. They gang like the good fellas. Took our propane propellers. She like go watch no chain. African Cinderella. Mix it in my vanilla. You can find us wherever. Ducking all types of weather. In space looking for better. Racks on racks stuck together. Sit red talk to the devil. Rosetta Stones forever. High yellow, canary yellow. Hot chocolate Cinderella. Trap off a tractor trailer. New paper stuck together. That bitch gon' fuck my bezel. Got the world in the hands. Make it twirl when you dance. You know I do. Bitch, it's cool for you. Take you to my bay and I'm alone. If I don't feel like going, I'ma wait and I'ma turn. Go the other way. Ain't even finna lie. The way that booty moving in the dress up in that shift, you wanna put it though. Consume me if I try. This nigga acting like a shooter, but he not. Rich nigga, I can come and move you out the spot. It's simple, I ain't finna do the shit that I do for you if I was out here trying to do it for a fight. So let it clap, let it clap. Ride this you while you sit on my lap. Spread your cheeks, let me see that hoe. Spread that shit, you know what I'm saying? You know. Yeah, fuck me like a slut, you know what I'm saying? Let's go. Let's go.
What's happening, guys? If y'all enjoyed all the hot content that you saw in that video, be sure to follow me on YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, Instagram under the Lifer Price, and also Down4sound Shop on Facebook and Instagram. And don't forget Snapchat. I'm JPD4S on there, so be sure to check me out there. We'll see you in the